you just don't look right, tell them you're sorry. I gotta give their ears what they want. The shadows they're casting over the bodies are worse than the graves they haunt. And the expectations, oh the expectations, I expect you to sit still. And we'll beat you up and we'll break you down and we'll shallow your senses until you can scream that you will sit still. There's no use in standing up if there's no use in standing out. Sit still. Well, they'll beat you up and they'll break you down and beat you and break you. Sit still. Well, when I was 11, I took a fist to my face, and never did I hit her back or call her names or fall from grace.